Understanding working with Granite in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a unique phrase, working with granite. At first glance, it might seem like we're talking about stone masonry, but there's more to this expression. Let's uncover the layers together and understand its meanings and applications. Stay tuned as we break down this phrase, ensuring you can use it confidently in your English conversations. First, let's look at the literal meaning of working with granite. Granite is a type of hard, durable rock. It's often used in construction and sculpture due to its strength and beauty. When someone is literally working with granite, they're cutting, shaping, or installing granite surfaces. This could be in the context of building construction, making countertops, or creating art. The key takeaway here is the physical, hands-on process of manipulating a strong material. Interestingly, working with granite can also take on a metaphorical meaning. In this sense, it describes dealing with a situation, task, or problem that is extremely challenging or difficult to change. Just like the physical characteristics of granite, metaphorical granite represents obstacles that are hard to shape or influence. For example, trying to change a well-established but inefficient work process can feel like working with granite. It requires significant effort and persistence. Now that we understand both meanings, how do we use this phrase in everyday conversations? In a literal context, it's pretty straightforward. However, the metaphorical use is more nuanced. Saying, "I'm working with granite here," can express your frustration or determination in facing a tough challenge. It's a vivid way to convey the difficulty of your task to others, emphasizing the need for time, patience, and effort. Let's put working with granite into some sentences. Literal, he's been working with granite all day to finish the kitchen countertops. Metaphorical, trying to get the team to adopt new software is like working with granite. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be adapted to different scenarios, enriching your English communication skills with a mix of literal and figurative language. Thank you for joining us to explore the depths of working with granite. Whether it's in the literal sense of shaping a hard rock or the metaphorical challenge of tackling tough tasks, this phrase adds a layer of richness to your English conversations. We hope this video has illuminated another fascinating aspect of the English language for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.